So one of the first things I learned from Eddie Kramer when I was a young kid, I used to be in awe of him because he was that guy and I was nobody. And he came to our studio once and worked, and I watched him work. And one of the first thing he taught me was, I used to just do anything when I'd record. I'd just record stuff, and I just recorded however it was. And then when I had to go mix it, I kind of didn't have any. So he taught me when you record, you try to record it so that everything is even, and you move preamps and stuff so that everything comes out even on the board. So when you go to mix it later, you start from a place that's kind of even.